Hello, today we'll show you how to use a needle to easily find the forgotten password combination for this type of padlock. It's very easy to open the lock without breaking it. In the previous videos I showed you how the DL suitcase lock works and how to easily unlock a forgotten suitcase lock. Therefore, if you have some locked luggage, click more from TechQ and learn how to open them too. To repair a device, or in this case, to hack and open a forgotten combination padlock, you need to know how the mechanism works. Once you understand it, it's easy. So here's how the padlock works. To open it, you have to align the bumps that are on the lock cylinder. Each bump is rotated with the DL. The first task is to hold the needle against the cylinder and turn the DL in a circle until you feel a bump with the needle, which means you have found the first bump. In the same way, you have to find the second and the third bumps. Write down the combination of digits, but at this point it will still not be possible to open the lock, because these bumps are all up, but they need to be down to unlock the lock. Turn each lock DL one digit at a time. It doesn't matter if it's down or up. The most important thing is to turn each DL one digit at a time and then try to open the lock. If it doesn't open, turn each DL again one digit at a time until you can open the lock. At that point, the digits on the DL will also be the correct combination code. For my lock, I had to turn each DL from the first code. I found 4 times to get to the position where the inner bumps come into a straight line, allowing the lock to open. You may need to turn the DLs more or fewer times, so remember to turn each DL by one digit and then try to open it. If it doesn't open, turn the DLs one digit at a time until you get the padlock to open. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck!